In here, we got an interesting virtual reality galaxy package here, and it is from ABACUS brand. And when you look around, you see how much thought and effort was placed into this particular package. And I was like, wow, when I saw it at Staples, I was really mesmerized by how much this was actually put in here. It actually has book here, seeing the inside, how this here is integrated alongside, including the planetarium, which has a couple of interesting models for you to see the planets in terms of the scale of their size. And also we have the goggles, which is, hey, the VR goggles. You can actually have this incredible view, and I'm really excited to dive into this, not only in terms of, hey, the class that I will be teaching, but also in the STEM club. So looking at this here, this is the other side, this is the bottom, and when you scroll around, this here is the top. So let's open this and let's see what this has to offer for us. So this here has an elastic strap, and once you remove it, you actually look inside according to what it says right here below. And when you look inside, we can now open, and voila, here we go. So in here we have the left side, which has a book, and this book here shows all the interesting interactive sections that we can dive into as a class, ranging from to our own Earth planets to the cosmos and even the universe when everything all started. So really love this particular package here in terms of the book and how that comes together. Another thing here is I think this slides out, I believe. Let's see. Can we pull it out? I don't want to destroy it. If it does, oh man, so good. Yay, it does comes off. So it comes off really brilliantly, and this here shows what? How to use or build your planetarium. And so building your planetarium, once I download it, then I should be able to use this to guide me through, or the students can be guided through building the planetarium from Mercury, or technically from the sun, all the way down to Neptune. And so once you do that, you place them in the right order in terms of the radii distance. Fantastic stuff. And that is something that I'm really excited to dive into with my students. And these are all the cool things that I'm looking forward to diving into in terms of the VR set and all the information. So love this right here. Now, the big one here is this particular side where we have our big information here. So this comes off, I believe. I don't have really great nails, but I'm going to get it out, which I did. Yay, I'm able to get this out. And so once this is out, boom, here we go. And so we're going to do the big one last, but for now we're going to look at this planetarium. I think you can pull this off by disconnecting these ends here, and then once you're done painting this with this particular paint and the brush in terms of the color, you should be able to get your results really done and also, hey, placed on this particular stand right here. I don't know what that is. I think this looks like one of the planet's rings. And no, it doesn't fit the size. Is this the size? No. Maybe this one. Yeah, this planet right here. Perfect. That is the perfect size for that one. So anyways, keep that in mind. These are all the arms, and these here are all like pretty much the radius of each distance from their center to the actual planet center. And this here, I don't know what that is. I guess kind of like a sandpaper. So and what else do we have here? We got a couple of needles that stands up your planet, and it is attached to the arm, and that's pretty cool. So pretty cool accessories in here. And this here on this side here are the paints. We have red, yellow, blue, green, orange. Fantastic. And it comes with the brush. So that is the brush right there. Can I pull it out? Yeah, it's kind of skipping in there, but anyways, you get the gist with the brush. Now the big one here is the VR set. That is cool. Anyways, this is really exciting stuff. This is honestly my first ever VR set, and yeah, it has the lens in there. This is where the nose will be resting, and this here I believe is to do what? Adjust the focus or your direction of your eyes. If your eyes is too wide, you cannot put it that way. If it's past that, too bad. If it's too close together, too bad. So it's just pretty cool in terms of that design. I like the design overall. And this here allows you to place your phone, slide it, and then you should be good to go. So yeah, really exciting stuff. I like the headrest, I'll call it, with the help of the elastic straps. You can adjust here to let it feel low to increase the length, or you can just put it back to decrease the length from the back here. So yeah, cool stuff right here. And also the head as well. I got a big head for me, so I'll have to actually get this longer for sure as well. So beautiful stuff right here in terms of the design and the package. So I'm going to put this back here, and these here are the things that I want you all to keep in mind in terms of the unboxing experience. Do you think this is actually is worth a Christmas gift to give to someone, a student, or any of your young ones that are around? Drop down in the comment section and let me know your thoughts about it. So overall, I hope you found this really informative in terms of this particular package here, in terms of the VR set and all the artistic experiences that you can get, and all the knowledge that you can gain from this particular virtual reality galaxy by Abacus brands. I hope you found this really informative. Please hit a comment down below and let me know your thoughts about this. By that way, we can talk to you soon. Stay smart as always and believe in yourselves.